Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Leading questions. Leading questions are the questions which leads to an answer, which is yes or no. So under section 141, IEA defines leading questions. Section 142 IEA is where leading questions are not allowed in chief examination or redirect examination. Exceptions of leading questions are if the victim has become hostile. Leading questions are allowed in chief examination. According to section 142 IEA, leading questions are not allowed in chief examination and redirect examination. But if the witness is hostile, then leading questions can be allowed in um, chief examinations also. Section 143 IEA. In section 143 IEA, leading questions are allowed only in cross examination. Power of a judge during the trial. The judge can post any question in any form in any part of the trial. Race. Race is
Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about